Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to verify 18 files of Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 game on your Windows computer. So if you're facing this 18 files corrupted problem, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So restart Steam. So first of all close Steam, and then after you start Steam as an administrator, and then try to verify the files. Now still you're facing the problem, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. So if you have McAfee, Bitdefender, Norton, Avast, so whichever antivirus you have, make sure that you allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. Now if you are using Windows security, then open Windows settings, and then if you have Windows 11, click on privacy and security. If you have Windows 10, you will have an option update and security. Windows 10 users click on update and security. Windows 10 users click on update and security, and Windows 11 click on privacy and security, then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Now click on manage ransomware protection. Now click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on yes to allow. Now click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. If the game is installed in C drive, go to C drive, open program files x86. Now open the Steam folder. Now open the Steam apps folder. Now open the common folder. Over here you will find the game folder. In my case, it's in E drive. So Steam folder, Steam apps, common. Now open Call of Duty HQ folder. Now select all the exe file over here. So whichever exe file you see over here, first of all select the game exe file, then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Again select this exe file. Now again click on browse all apps, and then select this exe file. So add all the exe file. Now once all the exe files are added, now type in control panel in Windows search box, and then click on control panel. Now click on System and Security. Now click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on Change settings on the top, and then click on Allow another app. Now click on Browse. Again go to the game installation folder. Open the game folder. Now again select the game exe file, and then click on Open. Then click on Add. Now again click on Allow another app. Select all the exe file over here. Again click on Browse. Select all the exe file. Once all the exe files are added over here, now click on OK. Now launch the game. Now the next step is to update Windows to the latest version. Now this is important. This has worked for many players, so it might work for you. So first of all, update Windows to the latest version. So for this, open Windows settings, and then go to update and security or Windows update, and then click on check for update. Once all the updates are installed, now restart your computer. So download and install it, and after that restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game. Now you can also use, if you face any problem updating your Windows, then go to, if you have Windows 10, go to this website. If you have Windows 11, go to this website. This will take you to Microsoft website. For Windows 10 users, click on Update Assistant. Over here you can see Update Assistant. Click on Update now, and then run this exe file. Now click on Yes to allow. Now if there is any pending update, you will see accept and install option, so update it. Now for Windows 11 users, download Windows 10 Installation Assistant, and then run this exe file. Now click on Yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Now click on Accept and Install. Now still you are unable to update. In that case, for Windows 10 users, you can use media creation tool to update your Windows.
If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now and then run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then run the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
Now after the update, verify the game files and then launch the game. Next step is to perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, now this has worked for many players, so try this. For this, type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. And now go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Put a check over here first, then click on disable all. In my case, this is grayed out. I already did it. In your case, this would be highlighted. But make sure that you put a check over here first and then click on disable all, then click on apply, click on OK. You will see the restart option. Restart your computer and then launch the game. Also close all the background applications. So make sure only the Steam and the game is running. Rest close everything. So if you have overclocking application, like if you're running MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, close all the overclocking application. If you have overlay application, so first of all uncheck this Steam overlay, make a right click on the game, select properties, uncheck the box which says enable the Steam overlay while in game, and also close all the overlay applications. So if you have Discord running, close Discord. If you have GeForce Experience running, close GeForce Experience. So close all the overlay and overclocking application. Also close all the background application and then launch the game. Next step is to update system BIOS. Now this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. So update your system BIOS. Now for this, go to your system manufacturer website. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. This is just an example. So if you have a Dell computer, go to Dell website. If you have Lenovo computer, go to Lenovo website. If you have HP computer, go to HP website. So go to your system manufacturer website. Now once you go to system manufacturer website, select your model number. Make sure that you select your model number. This is just an example. So select your model number. So I'm just showing for Dell. You might go, if you have Asus computer, go to Asus or Lenovo or HP. Now find your system BIOS. Now once you find your BIOS, download the BIOS. Run and then run the file. The process may be different for different brands. I'm showing for Dell. So run this file and then update your system BIOS. Now, before you update your system BIOS, in case of laptop, make sure the battery is more than 10% and the AC adapter, the charger, is connected to the computer. In my case, the charger is not connected, but make sure that you connect the charger in case of laptop, and make sure battery is more than 10%, and then update your system BIOS. Now, during the BIOS update, your system will restart, and after the system restart, log into your computer and then launch the game. So updating the system BIOS has worked for many players, so it might work for you.
Next step is to do a clean installation of your latest graphics driver. Now this is important. This has worked for many players, so it might work for you. So if you have NVIDIA card, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD card, go to AMD website. I'm showing for NVIDIA. So go to NVIDIA website. Now select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here, and then you can select your graphic card. Make sure that you select the right operating system over here, then click on start search. Now scroll down over here, you can see GeForce Game Ready driver. This is the latest one, 52225. This is the latest version right now. So whichever is the latest version, install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Click on get download and then click on download now. Now once the download is complete, run the exe file and then you will see the screen. Click on agree and continue, and then put a check on the box which says custom, and then click on next, and then put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation. So put a check over here, make sure that you put a check over here, then click on next, and after the clean installation, restart your computer. Make sure that you restart your computer, and after the system restart, launch the game.
Now the next step is to uninstall and reinstall the game to different drive. So uninstall the game. So go to Steam, make a right click on the game, select manage, then click on uninstall. Now after you uninstall, go to the game installation folder. So wherever the game is installed, go to the game installation folder, and after you uninstall it, open Steam, Steam apps, common, and then delete the game folder. Make a right click, then delete. So after you uninstall it, make sure that you delete the game folder. So first of all, you have to uninstall it. Now go to the game installation folder and then delete the game folder. Now restart your computer. After the system restart, reinstall the game to different drive. So if you have another SSD or HDD, try installing the game to different drive and then check. Now the last step is to reset your computer. Now before you perform reset, let me inform you that this will result in loss of data and application on your computer. You have to start everything from scratch. So make sure that you create a backup before reset, and then after the reset, reinstall the game. So for this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to Windows Update. In Windows 10, go to Update and Security, and then you will see the reset option. Go to Advanced option in Windows 11, and then you will see Recovery. In Windows 10, go to Update and Security, then go to Recovery, and then you will see Reset this PC option. Click on Reset this PC. Now click on Keep My Files or Remove Everything. Keep My Files will remove application and settings, but it will keep your personal files. Remove Everything will remove everything, that is personal files, application, and settings. So select the option which you want. Now in my case, charger is not connected, that's why it's not resetting. So make sure that the charger is connected, perform reset, and after the reset, reinstall the game and then check. So one of the steps should help you to fix the problem, and you should be able to play the game. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.